Hi everyone, it's Galen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I have a really sweet pet themed card. It's a sympathy card for a cat or a dog, and I'm using paper piecing as a technique for today. It's a quick and easy card, and you can use it with any papers. And I'm also adding a little bit of marker accent to that. And so for paper piecing, you want to stamp your image multiple times. So I stamped it. I stamped the collar on the white, and then I that's my base. And I also stamped the sentiment in 2 paw prints. And on 2 different types of pattern paper, I stamped that collar again. And I'm going to cut around that collar to create different parts of the collar. And so for this teal panel, I just used scissors, and I stamped with Copic friendly ink, only because I'm going to add a little bit of Copic accents. But if you're going to use marker accents, just stamp with ink for use with your markers. And so I cut the collar out. Now I'm cutting just the hearts out of that second red panel there. I just want to go ahead and use just the hearts there to add to the teal section. And so I added a little bit of color to the paw prints just with markers. I could paper piece those as well, but I just decided to go ahead and quickly just add some color in to those paws. I used 3 different shades of tan, and I just layer. I start with the light, and then I add a darker color and come in and blend it in with like a medium color. And so now with Ranger Multi-Medium Matte Glue, I'm adding a touch of glue where I want to place those paper pieced items there, the paper pieced cutouts. So the heart is a little die cut that I previously die cut. I'm adding those red hearts to the collar. I just take adhesive with a tweezer there, only because they're so small. Otherwise, I just use my hand to place them. And then I want to make sure that that outline is real defined on that collar. So I use a black Copic marker to go around the edges of that collar, just to, if there's any white lines, I want to go ahead and make them darker, like an outline. But you can use Distress ink with an ink blending tool to do the same thing. And so now I'm making this collar more a little bit distressed. I want to add some shadows to it. So I added this one of the tan colors that I used before. I'm just using outlining and filling in some of that folded area on the sides with color. And so once that is all trimmed and accented, I add foam tape and I pop that collar right over that base outline, and I offset it just a hair below that original stamping, and you can see the line there. And so it looks like a 3D look. It's nice. I like that. It pops up a little bit off the page. It's a clean and simple card. Very easy to do. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.